welcome back to the channel. If you clicked on this video, you're probably ready to make a change, and let me tell you, today is the day to glow up. Whether it's your look, your vibe, or just how you feel about yourself, we're going to cover simple, actionable steps you can take to transform yourself in just one day. First things first, your glow up starts from within. Take 5 to 10 minutes to sit in silence, meditate, or journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for and 3 things you love about yourself. Yes, love about yourself. Don't hold back. The energy you radiate comes from how you feel inside, so let's make that foundation solid. Next up, let's talk appearance. Give yourself a mini makeover. Start with skincare. Wash your face, exfoliate, and apply a hydrating face mask. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Then, do something with your hair that makes you feel confident. Whether it's a sleek style, some waves, or even a messy bun, it's all about owning your look. And don't forget to pick an outfit that makes you feel unstoppable. It doesn't have to be fancy, just something that makes you stand a little taller when you wear it. You're glowing, but we're not done yet. What you put into your body is just as important. Drink a big glass of water, maybe add some lemon for that extra detox effect. Whip up a nourishing meal. Think fresh veggies, protein, and a touch of something you genuinely enjoy. Your body deserves care and respect, and what you fuel it with will reflect on the outside. Now, let's get moving. Do a workout you enjoy, even if it's just a quick 15-minute stretch or a dance session in your living room. The goal is to get your blood flowing and your energy up. Movement isn't just about fitness. It's about reconnecting with your body and reminding yourself how powerful you are. Finally, let's set the vibe for the rest of your day. Clean up your space, light a candle, and put on your favorite playlist. Confidence isn't just about how you look. It's about how you feel in your environment. Surround yourself with things that inspire you and remind you of your worth. And that's it. Your ultimate glow up in just one day. Remember, glowing up isn't about being perfect. It's about being the best version of you. If you try this, let me know in the comments how you feel afterward. And hey, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more positivity and self-care tips. You've got this. Keep shining, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.